In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin extensions in Zen Browser. By the end, you'll have your most used tools right where you want them, so you can click once and get to work faster. First, open Zen Browser. If it's already running, bring it to the front so you're looking at a regular browsing window. You don't need any special mode or hidden settings for this. Just make sure you're on a normal page or a new tab so the main toolbar is visible at the top of the window. Next, look toward the top of the browser beside the URL bar. You're searching for the extensions icon, which usually looks like a small puzzle piece. It sits near the right side of the toolbar alongside other buttons. If your window is narrow, some icons might collapse into an overflow area. In that case, you may see a small arrow indicating there are more controls tucked away. Expanding the window or clicking that arrow should reveal the extensions button. Click the extensions icon to open the panel that lists extensions you've installed. You'll see each extension by its name and often an icon. Think about the tools you reach for the most, maybe a password manager, a translator, a note saver, or a privacy utility. Those are great candidates to pin because pinning moves them to the toolbar for one-click access. If you're not spotting a particular extension, double-check the names in the list. Some appear under the developer's title rather than the brand you have in mind. If an extension is currently disabled, it might not appear here, so make sure the one you want is active before proceeding. Now, hover over the extension you want to pin. Right-click it to open a small context menu. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way, and on some systems a control click does as well. In that menu, choose the option that says Pin to Toolbar. The moment you select it, the extensions icon should appear along the top toolbar near the address bar. That's your visual confirmation that pinning worked. From now on, you can simply click that icon to open or control the extension without digging into the extensions panel each time. That's all there is to it. Open Zen Browser, find the extensions icon beside the URL bar, choose the extension you want, and right-click to pin it to the toolbar. With your essentials pinned, your browsing stays smooth, focused, and efficient.